Nice rug for the living room, darling. Oh, it's money here, Martin. We're in the money. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video back on a Driven 24/7 automotive YouTube channel. As always, my name is Amber. Martin, as you've just seen us just walking around the car, he's still waterless washing the Honda Accord, so we're picking up where we left off. If you haven't seen episode 2, then click on the card above, and in episode 2 we did a few little tinkering bits to the Honda Accord, prepping for sale. God, Martin's rubbing that roof pretty hard. He's shaking the whole car. He is my muscly man. So you join me in the interior, obviously, of the Honda Accord, and it is going to be my job to spruce up the lovely leather seats we have in here, and obviously give it a good hoovering. So that's what we're going to be doing today, is clean up the interior of this car, because it's the main selling point of this car, I reckon, and it really was to me. Because okay, the outside is tatty, but once you're in here you forget about the exterior. It's all about the interior once you're in here. So let me just show you. So we're just going to do some hoovering today. We're going to hoover all the leather seats up, all the little dirt and stuff all on the carpet, on the back shelf as well. So we're just going to get it hoovered, and then the next stage will be get the little brush in here and clean out all the cubby holes, which I'm really looking forward to doing. Bit sad, all these little cubby holes in here, the dash, and then once the obviously leather seats have been hoovered, it will then be time to actually clean them all down properly. And Martin has actually got some sort of black leather conditioner cover up stuff. So these seats are so nice, guys. Real selling point when I bought this car. Yeah, I did contemplate getting rid of my red one for this, because this is really nice. We're going to clean the interior. I'll probably stick the GoPro up there so you can sort of see what I'm doing and fast forward, and we'll cover some points of the interior clean with this camera when I get to certain points. So let's get cleaning. We'll start with hoovering the back carpet first. We'll just move the electric adjusting leather seat all the way forward so we can get to the back properly. So that's all the way forward. Let me just show you before the back then, before I begin. So we just got all the dirt in on the back there. Oh, there's a gummy sweet in there. We'll also see what sort of stuff we find. So there's some skanky old tissue there as well. Yeah, see what treasures we can find. So let's get on with the back. So I've just quickly done the driver's side of the rear, just a quick hoover. I might even go around with a brush and actually get some more of the gubbins up, but just a quick once over for a minute. If they have actually cut it around, and it's down the side of the seat. There we go. It's a good idea though, to be fair. It does keep all the mats. Nice rug for the living room, darling. Yeah, we now got the driver's seat all the way back. That horrible blue rug thing is gone now, so I can actually get to the floor of the driver's side. Again, just a quick hoover, and then we'll see. Oh, it's money here, Martin. Hang on. 50p. I know, I saw some on the back. We got 61p, and there was some. I saw some in the back underneath the seat as well. Down this side here, inside here.
You have to go forward, darling. Start it up. Just take it as far as it goes.
I will.
5p. 20p.
Yeah, that's what I saw. Is that it?
There's another one there, I can't get it.
What colour is it? Silver or copper? I think there's another 20p actually stuck down the side of the car. Martin found, how much is it? £2 when we test drove it. So we got 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. We're in the money. Just a quick flick around on the driver's side, just done the seat quickly and the floor. Again, I will go around with a brush just to get in these little fine areas, because I am a bit weird when it comes to that. Maybe even clean up the pedals, this little bit here. So yeah, I might go and get some brushes and carry on. So I've literally gone around with a fine tooth comb. I wouldn't recommend you actually clean your teeth with this. It is an interior brush, But as you can see, I've got all the dirt out from some of the crevices, like brushing it out and hoovering it up. It's amazing how much these little tools make a difference, even around the little filler pull there. And we've got the little mat ring there. Just need to try and get down the side of these seats somehow. Bag.
Wash, didn't we? Look, it's like a little bag now.
It's nice. So I've just done hoovering the rest of the car, just the carpets and seats for now. Looking so much more better. These carpets, like Martin said earlier, really nice and thick, so they're quite easy to brush out and quite easy to hoover up. Next we'll tackle this parcel shelf. So I've done hoovering most of the car. All I've got to do now is basically go around and clean all the plastics up. There we go, and the front. There we go. So just the plastics to do, and clean up the leather and condition it. Martin's done most of the outside. Just that waterless wash, which has done the job. This might be all it needs, to be fair. Wheel's not looking too bad from a distance. And I'm cutting in because you guys guessed it, I forgot to film an outro for these clips. So it was a good 3 or 4 weeks ago since these clips were filmed. Basically what happened is we spent the whole day cleaning up the interior of the Honda. I'd had enough. Downed the valeting tools, I downed the hoover nozzle and the brushes, and I went in, I thought, nah, stuff filming outro, I'll do it another day. So fast forward 3 weeks or so, the car's actually been sold, and I'm finally getting around to filming an outro for said video. So there was more stuff we did do to the Accord. The rest of the stuff I didn't film, so I'm really sorry guys, but what we did do afterwards was you saw in this video, so I was hoovering up the leather, preparation for it to be clean, conditioned. So what I did do later on, I think it was another day actually, I sort of had enough of the car and I just thought, right, I'm just going to stick it up for sale. I've had enough, I want to get rid of it now, getting on my nerves. And so I went around quickly with a leather cleaner, brushed it into leather, wiped it down with a cloth. Then Martin came along with some sort of black leather conditioner sort of hider, so it filled in any sort of cracks and crevices, and the leather looked absolutely mint. I might have some photos which I might throw in. Yeah, we did carry on another day doing all the leather treatment, and I was going around cleaning all the plastics with some little brushes again, getting all the crevices, and I did go around and wipe all the plastics over on the interior of the car. Like I said, none of that stuff was filmed. I sort of had enough by then of documenting everything, so most stuff has been documented. So this has been part 3 of the Honda Accord flipping sort of car buying selling series. There is a part 4 to come, which is very short and sweet, so me and my dad did something to the car. We had a look at the cat situation, and I'm going to tell you how I came to selling the car, and all how I sold the car basically is what I'm going to get around to in episode 4. So that's going to be a really short episode probably, and that will come after this episode, episode 3. So yeah, let me know in the comments below on how you think we're doing so far with the car. I really enjoyed cleaning the interior. Sad, but it's true. Give us a comment, and I always reply back to my comments. Please like this video, obviously. If you've liked it, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And please do hit subscribe and make sure that bell was well and truly rung, so you're notified every time a video does go up on my automotive YouTube channel. So I've nearly done filming or finishing filming the Honda Accord series. Last episode is going out after this one, so that's all done. But obviously do stick around because I've got a bar of videos. I do actually own a museum mint Honda Civic, and Martin's just got a new car, my boyfriend if you didn't know, so he's always got loads to film on this channel. And also just gonna keep pushing myself a bit further in a bit of advertisement, because why not? It's my channel, I can do what I want, you know what I mean. So also just trying to up the game on the whole Driven 24/7 brand, It started off, obviously, my YouTube channel, me documenting cars in my ownership and my family's large collection of cars, which they've cut down a lot. And again, another video I need to film, parents driveway update sort of video. Really trying to push Driven 24/7 into more of a brand and community. We've already got the t-shirts. We've got so many new products on our website. So website is linked down below. If you want to support me further, help me pursue my dreams of modifying and tinkering with my cars and making Driven 24/7 a dream job, that would be amazing. If you can, then check out the website. And if you really want to support me further, like I say, do a buy. We've got cheap stickers on there, or we've got our clothing, which obviously a bit more money. But every single order means so much to me. Obviously, we can't do the car meets because of COVID, but hopefully once COVID's done, I can meet you all again. More car meets and meet everyone in person. Thanks so much for the love. Hopefully a better 2021. We're all hoping for that, right? So thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye! Episode 4 coming next.